equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean workspace. Start by powering off your HP 14 laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, carefully remove the back cover of the laptop. You will need to unscrew the screws located at the back. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back cover off, locate the battery. Disconnect the battery connector to prevent any power from flowing through the device while you work. This step is essential for avoiding any electrical hazards. Now, focus on the screen assembly. You will see several screws holding the screen in place. Carefully remove these screws, ensuring you keep track of their locations. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess the situation before proceeding. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the screen from the hinges. Be mindful of any cables connected to the screen. You will need to disconnect these as well. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any components. After the old screen is removed, it's a good idea to clean the internal area of the laptop. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will help ensure that your new screen fits perfectly and operates efficiently. Now, take your new screen and connect the cables carefully. Make sure they are securely attached before proceeding. Once connected, align the screen with the hinges and gently lower it into place. Reinsert the screws you previously removed to secure the screen. Before reassembling the back cover, reconnect the battery. This is a good time to check if the new screen is functioning correctly. Power on your laptop and see if the display works as expected. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. If everything looks good, proceed to reattach the back cover. Align it properly and press down gently to ensure all clips are secured. Finally, replace the screws at the back to hold the cover in place. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the screen on your HP 14 laptop. If you need assistance or prefer to have a professional handle it, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. No calls, no travel, just a simple, hassle-free service. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.